From leadership's perspective, I think there are key mindset shifts that sometimes are difficult, but really need to be made in order to move smoothly into an agile mindset. First is thinking about what is leadership's role in the process. The traditional approach is that it's a top-down, command and control, hierarchical structure. In Scrum and Agile, what we really like to see is leadership that sets a clear vision and encourages the team through aggressive goals, and then facilitates the process by removing impediments as they come up to the team. But it's much more a facilitative and visionary leadership as opposed to a command and control leadership. The second item is changing how you think about how product is delivered. The traditional approach would be to do all of the design up front, then do all of the construction, then do all of the testing, then come up with your go-to-market strategy, and only at the end do you deliver one complete big bang of a project. Whereas we really like incremental delivery in a Scrum context, because that gives us the ability to inspect and adapt and improve the product over time so that we're confident that we're building the best product we possibly can. The third item is how the project is planned. Rather than doing all of the planning up front at the point in time where you have the least information that you're ever going to know about the process that you're about to undertake. In Scrum, we actually run the planning in parallel to development. At the end of the day, you end up doing more planning than you would if you had done it all up front, but you can actually begin development much faster because you don't have a dedicated planning phase up front. In terms of the visibility, what is the role of visibility in the project? Traditional leadership and management relies on status reports and deviation from plan reports to make sure that the project is on track and that if there's intervention needed, that they do that in time. In an agile world, we believe in radical transparency, which means everybody has access to the information in as close to real time as they can, on the theory that the frontline employees will make better decisions if they have all of the context, and that context shouldn't be locked up in a small group of leaders that make all of the decisions and retain all of the information.